Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, February 17th, 2021, and I did it again. I didn't put it in the calendar. So this is an X, and we have the circle here. And today we have a video class. What we're going to see today is the adverbs. What is an adverb? Adverbs are words that describe verbs. An adverb tells you how, when, or where something happened. For example, Lenin teaches funnily. Or we take a test monthly. Okay, those are examples, but we saw this yesterday. So let's continue. Like I told you, there are hints that, for example, usually adverbs are next to the verb and have an ly at the end. Some examples are that Sonic runs quickly, Jake does exercises constantly, and they bake cake easily. Okay? Those are examples. But now we're going to do an activity. Can you identify the adverb in the turtle walks slowly? Do you think it's turtle? No, it's slowly. Yes. So here we have the verb and ly. Very good. Let's see the next one. Identify the adverb. The swimmer practices regularly. Can you identify the adverb? Is it practices? Yes, it's regularly. Very good. As you notice, we have the ly too. Let's see the next one. Identify the adverb. He moves the boxes carefully. Where is the adverb? Is it he? Is it the boxes? No, you're right. It's carefully. Very good. And we have the ly too. The next one. Identify the adverb. The musician plays beautifully. So, where is the adverb? Is it the musician or plays? No. As you said, beautifully, it's the adverb. And we have the ly too. The next one. That builder skillfully built a wall. Okay, so a wall is not an adverb, and builder is the subject. Build is the verb, so skillfully it's the adverb. I know what you are going to ask me. Why is the adverb before the verb? Okay, but it can be like that. It can be on the right, on the left, but it always next to the verb. Okay, so it's okay like this. The next one, the taxi driver is standing outside his car. So which one is the adverb? Is it the taxi driver? No, that's the subject. Is standing? No, that's the verb. So the adverb will be, so we have the verb here, so the adverb will be outside. As you know, this tells us where. Where is the taxi driver? Standing outside. The next one. Yesterday I wrote a letter to my dad. So where is the adverb? Is it the adverb my dad? Or it's a letter? Or is it I wrote? You're right. No, none of those are the adverb. The adverb is yesterday because it tells us when I wrote the letter. Okay? And that's it for today. We did a little practice only. We're going to practice more tomorrow. And that's all for today's video. Have a nice day and thank you for watching it. Goodbye.